Today we're going to look at some words and think about what we notice about them. Let's read them together. If you know them, read them out loud at home with me. Family, dad, sister, fruit, plum, clothing, shirt. Think for a minute what you notice about these words. Maybe you notice that some of these words start with the same letter, like family and fruit. Both start with an F. Or maybe you notice both family and fruit also have the letter I in them. So does the word clothing and shirt. They both have an I in them. So does the word sister. But think about the meaning of these words. I'm going to read them again. What do these words mean? Why do you think they are placed together? Family, dad, sister, fruit, plum, clothing, shirt. These words are placed together because they go under the same category. Family, your family is your dad and your sister. So if you have a dad or a sister, they are a part of your family. So they go with the word family. What about the word fruit? A plum is a type of fruit. So those words can go together in the same category. And clothing, a type of clothing is a shirt. Let's brainstorm some more words that could go with each category. Under the category family, maybe you have a mom, or maybe you have a brother, or maybe you have an aunt, or an uncle, or a grandma, or a grandpa. Those are all people that would be in a family. They're a part of your family. I'm going to put those words all over here together under family. Now let's think of some words that could go with fruit. We have the word plum. What other kind of fruit do we know of? We probably know apple, banana, maybe we know strawberry, and I'll let you guys think of some more at home. So there's strawberry, banana, and apple. Now let's think of some types of clothing you can wear. Wearing a shirt is one thing, one type of clothing. What else can we wear? It's another type of clothing. Maybe you can say pants or socks or sweater. Let's put all of those words under clothing because they are types of clothing. Today, for your assignment, what you guys are going to do on a piece of paper using a pencil at home is you are going to split a piece of paper into 4 sections. So you're going to draw a line straight down and then a line across the paper. That will make 4 boxes. In the first box, I want you to write the word family. In the second box, I want you to write the word fruit. In the third box, I want you to write the word clothing. And in the fourth box, you get to pick any category you want. Maybe you just want to make it sports or food, whatever you want. And in each box, I want you to draw a picture of something that comes to your mind when you think of that word. When you think of family, what comes to your mind? Maybe you think of mom or dad or grandma, sister, brother, whatever you think of. I want you to draw a picture of it and write that word in the box. For the next one, fruit. What comes to your mind when you think of the word fruit? The first thing that pops in your head, I want you to draw a picture and write that word. So maybe the first fruit that pops in your head is strawberry. You can draw a strawberry and write the word strawberry. And then for clothing, if you think of the word clothing, if the first thing that pops in your head is socks, then you could draw socks and write the word socks. And for this category, you get to pick any category you want and draw something as long as it is appropriate. And then you're going to upload a picture of your work.